time to thin out these Silverbeet plants. Tomatoes are going quite well. Oh, there's a couple of, in fact there's some tomatoes to thin out too. Just starting to root at the bottom, they're nearly ready to go out. So we only want one in each. I've got the glasses on and some nice fine pair of scissors. So I'll go through all these. And try and choose the best one, which in this case is probably that nice one there. Seems a bit of a waste, but you know, that's what we end up with. That one's a no-brainer. Just make a bit of room here before I start putting them back in. Looks like that one would be nice. So you just make a choice. Now multi-seeding works with a lot of things like bok choy, tatsoi, that sort of thing, but Silverbeet, in my experience, no. There we go. So I'll just persevere and get these all done.